Q&A, guys. Today's Q&A on the 4runner. We got a question. What got you into building your 4runner? From Maddie MCF. Great question. When I was about 16, I had a Honda Odyssey. I know, big difference from the 4runner, but great gas mileage, very reliable. You know, Japanese cars are very good quality. Had that for about a year and a half. Didn't really like it that much because it's a mom car. My uncle had this car. I didn't like it at the start. I'll show a picture right here. My buddy had a Jeep Wrangler, which I really liked. I drove it for a little bit, and it was a sweet car. It was modded up, had a lift, light bar, everything like that. Very slow though, don't get me wrong. You could go like top 60 miles an hour on that thing before it started wobbling, so it's a cool car, but not reliable. But watched a lot of YouTube videos on Jeeps, especially old ones, especially the 07s. Very good cars at the beginning, but over time, they don't last that long. A couple years later, I was like 17. Our uncle wanted to get rid of the 4runner to get a new car because he didn't really use it that much. So we sold the Odyssey, got the 4runner. My parents got this as a graduation present for me, so thank you to my parents. And then the rest is history. I started modding the thing up because I wanted it to look cool. I didn't like the stock look, so I got new rims, new wheels, new lights, grill. If you guys are following me on my Instagram, you guys see the mods I'm getting as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoy these Q&As, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I will be posting some more on my Instagram and YouTube channel as well. So peace out, guys.